D7, we're going to block off our low E, block off the A as well. We're going to have an open D. Our middle finger is going to go on the 2nd fret of the G string. Pointer finger is going to go on the 1st fret of the B string. Ring finger is going to go on the 2nd fret tucked underneath on the high E. Again, blocking off the E and the A string, starting with an open D, 2nd fret, the G string, it's going to be middle finger. Next string down, pointer finger on the 1st fret, the B string, 2nd fret on the high E. Starting from the D string down, open, 2, 1, 2.